In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to have fast hair growth with eggs and yogurt coming up. What's up everyone, it's Winstonee coming back to you guys with a brand new video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead, click that subscribe button and click the notification bell to make sure you're the first to know when I post a new video. I wanted to share another at-home remedy with you guys for helping your hair to grow. I've done another video in the past where I've used eggs in a protein treatment. My most viewed video, how to grow your hair overnight, and in that one I used eggs and hair oils. In this treatment I'm going to use eggs, yogurt, bananas, and lemon juice. All the ingredients are edible. You know, what's more natural than that? So now I'm going to show you how to mix the ingredients and start the process. So I have all my ingredients laid out here. The first ingredient I'm going to put in the mixture is 1 egg. Eggs are a good source of protein, and protein is extremely good for helping your hair grow. Your hair is actually made up of protein, so giving it protein will help it to become stronger and grow faster. The next ingredient I'm going to put into the mix is 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Yogurt also has protein to help your hair grow, so combining the two gives you a super duper dose of protein. Yogurt also contains lactic acid, which helps to moisturize your hair, get rid of dead skin cells, and clean your scalp. Next, I'm going to be putting 1 banana into the mix. You're going to want to mash the banana up before putting it in. Bananas contain potassium. They also have vitamin B. They're great to eat for strengthening your hair, but also if you put it on your hair, it helps to restore the natural shine of your hair and protects it from damaging heat that can be caused by the sun. So it kind of acts like a sun blocker for your hair. It also helps to moisturize and prevent dandruff. I'm going to be using this garlic grinder to mash up the banana. This might be okay if you have short hair, not the best option, but later on I've learned while putting this in my hair that definitely should use something more thorough like a blender, just so you make sure that there's absolutely no chunks of banana in the mix. It will definitely get in your hair, and it will definitely take forever to get out of your hair, especially if you have long hair. So definitely use a blender instead of something like this, or instead of using a spoon before putting it into the mix to get all the chunks out. The final ingredient I'm going to be using is about 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Lemons or lemon juice have vitamin C, which helps the creation of collagen, and collagen helps your hair grow. Lemon juice also helps to hydrate your scalp and prevent dandruff. Also, putting a few drops in will help with the smell of the egg. Once I have everything mixed, I'm going to apply it to my hair in sections. I've already washed and shampooed my hair, and you want to make sure you do this so that you can get any buildup or dirt out of your hair before putting the treatment in, so that the treatment can be more effective. If you have short hair, you don't really need to separate your hair in sections. I just do this so that I can get the treatment in my hair more thoroughly. When applying it to your hair, you want to start from the roots and go down to the ends of your strands. I think I'm kind of doing that in this, but that's the proper way to do it. Now, this did get messy, so I suggest when you do this to wear clothes that you don't mind getting messed up, and also to do this in a place that's easy to clean, because this stuff will get all over the place and you don't want it on your carpets or your walls or wherever. I suggest you do it in the bathroom or hardwood floors, especially dealing with egg. You know, egg can get smelly and sticky and really hard to clean, and you don't want the burden of cleaning all that up after you do this. So definitely do this in a place like a bathtub or something where it's easy to clean, and also, or if you're not going to do it in a bathtub, wear clothes that you don't mind getting messed up. After applying the mixture, I'm going to cover my hair with the shower cap and let it sit on my hair for about 30 to 40 minutes. After letting it sit in my hair for 40 minutes, I rinsed it out with Shea Moisture's Raw Shea Butter Deep Moisturizing Shampoo, Carl's Daughter Goddess Strength Conditioner, and cold water. You don't want to use hot water or warm water to rinse it out, because remember, there's eggs in your hair, and you don't want the eggs to start cooking and create chunks in your hair, because then you have to pick all those chunks out and it's not pretty. I already had to pick banana chunks out of my hair, and so you don't want to add egg chunks on top of that. Like, the whole process is not pretty, so avoid all of that. Use cold water. Once you rinse out the treatment, that's pretty much it. Your hair should feel soft, moisturized, your scalp should feel clean, and overall your hair should just feel healthier. The best combination for helping it to grow as fast as possible. You can do this treatment once a week, to continue to reap the benefits from it. As always, if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.